So hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to create a folder and to hide it. Well, let's begin. First we need to create a folder like that, and for naming it we need to use a character from a character map. Yeah, that's it. Then we need to find a blank character. It is. Yeah, here's it. Then we need to select this one and copy it. Then again go back to here. Then we will just paste it by pressing Ctrl and V. Now it is pasted. Then we need to customize this folder and change it to a blank folder like this. We can see the empty state. We can select any one from this. Then I have selected this one. Hit OK. Not lie. Okay. See, now it is invisible. My background is black, so turned black, but if the black background is quite colorful, then it might change according to it. So it's done. Thank you for watching my video.